Hi, ladies and gentlemen, non-road user here again, and this time I'm going to talk about a protest group, as I believe they are, called Just Stop Oil. And as you will probably imagine, my opinion of the majority of these people in this group, they are totally unhinged, off the heads, whack jobs, because when you really think about it, if we all just stopped oil, have these people ever considered the number of products that are derived from oil? Let me give you some examples. Aspirin. I'm sure you've all heard of aspirin. It's a pill that certain people are allowed to consume to relieve certain types of health issues. Without oil, no aspirin. CDs and DVDs also apparently have a coating on them to allow the discs to spin inside your little CD or DVD player to perform on a much better basis if they weren't coated in this oil-derived substance, whatever it is. Chewing gum. How many people chew gum? Okay. Apparently that's also has some connection to oil. Clothing. A lot of people walking around wearing clothes, hopefully, because I don't want to see any of them naked. Oh, no. Some of those clothing items are derived from oil. Dentures. What about that? How many people are walking around with false teeth? That's why I don't have any, by the way, because I'm sort of down with these just stop oil guys over dentures, because I don't like teeth. But there's another example. What else? Oh, lipstick. Ladies or certain Labour Party members who I'm not going to name, but I guess you kind of know who I'm talking about here. Lipstick, also produced from derivatives of oil. Rugs, I'm sure we've all got a rug. Apparently certain rugs are derived from oil. What else? Oh, yeah, shampoo. Now, you look at me, right? You can tell I'm not a big fan of shampoo, right? But apparently that's derived from oil as well. Solar panels. Let's get down with the Green Party guys here, right? And go all solar, right? But slight problem in their agenda, because apparently solar panels have some connection with oil. Can you believe that? You know, let's go green. Let's all buy solar panels. Yeah, right on, man. Right. Got some connection to oil there. And what else have we got? Last one on the list. Hang on, I can't read this. Oh yes, toothpaste. Toothpaste. Right? Something, a product that most people will use every day, possibly even 2 or 3 times a day. You know, you squirt that little thing out of the tube on your brush and scrape it across your teeth, and you know, gob a mouthful of water and spit it out in the sink. Derivative of oil. Yeah. So I mean, that's just a short example, and I'll obviously post a link to the website, which I found out all of this stuff that I've just read out to you in the video description, so you can go and check it out, right? But apparently these people just stop oil, right? I don't think they've thought this through, because what if they got their way, these whack jobs, right? What if they got their way and we decided we were just going to stop oil tomorrow, right? No more aspirin, no more DVDs, CDs, DVDs, no more chewing gum, no more clothing, no more dentures, lipstick, forget that. Sorry, ladies. Rugs, no more rugs. What else? Shampoo, no shampoo, right? So you're just going to have to scrape a bar of soap across your head, but probably that's derivative of oil as well, so you can't do that, so you just suck it up. No more solar panels, you know? We're all going to have to rely on these blades spinning round, hoping that the wind blows, and, you know. And no more toothpaste. Can't brush teeth, not with toothpaste. Well, you can brush them, right? You know, stick your brush under the tap and scrape it across your face, your teeth. Well, no more toothpaste. You'll have to use something else, like, I don't know, vinegar, or, no, not vinegar. Don't want to use that. But anyway, you'll have to find an alternative. And this is where these lefty loon, well, I'm assuming the lefty loon, they sound lefty loon to me, just stop oil idiots are taking us. This is the direction of travel. But That's if you're fortunate enough to be able to travel, because, you know, if you are travelling, you might suddenly find that there's a Just Stop Oil nut job in front of you on a slow protest march, blocking, you know, you right away. These guys are, for me anyway, these guys are just totally crazy, off their heads, you know, you know. Can't we just find some institutions somewhere and lock them up, preferably in a padded cell, so, you know, they're out of harm's way. That would be my recommendation, but that's just me. So that is a personal viewpoint, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not representing the opinions of any political party or any other focus group or whatever you want to call them. It's just my personal opinion. That's all it is. So, there we go. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. And press the dislike button and the like button if you want to. Either way, I'm really not that bothered. But there you go. Thanks for watching. As I say, bye for now.